Hi, this is Charles Legacy with ESW Capital, and today we're going to go over a little bit about our company and show you some neat things we can do to help out your software company. We buy business software companies, is what we do here. And this is a website that's showing on the screen right now. And what I'm going to do is go over a little bit about the company here. Now, our target strategies, as you can see here on the website that's showing on the screen, the established enterprise software, of course, 5 million to 100 million plus TTM revenue. There is no EBITDA or growth rate requirement, and broad, horizontal or vertical, all levels of technology stack. US or Europe, we don't care. And then we got the SMB technology here, 7 million to 500 million TT plus the TTM revenue. And the ideal fits are either SaaS based or downloaded, install, run. Worldwide appetite. We love the appetite. Now, of course, we got the public profitable niche software, 3 million to 20 million. We prefer businesses located in the United States on that one. And our regional or industrial concentration is acceptable. Non-consumer businesses, business-oriented software. And of course, you guys want to see a little PowerPoint presentation. I have a basic one here, the basic of the basic. And sell us your business because we do it better. We do. We do it better. ESW Capital in a nutshell. And of course, our target strategies that I was reading to you, establish enterprise software, and it just goes on down the list. Do I have your attention with this thing? Is it too small? Can you not see it? That's good. That's great. Now, which one is being spelled wrong in this slide? Established entrepreneur enterprise software, SMB technologies, profitable niche software, tech-enabled managed services, enterprise IT consulting, distress situations, and bankruptcies. Yes, bankruptcies. We can help you. We can pull you out. We have the salespeople to do it, and they will make your company profitable again. Don't want it to go down the drain. All right, here. Now let's go back to the old website again, and let's see what else we got. Um, these are some of all the softwares we have in our portfolio. And it's really sweet. So let's go here and check it out. Woo, yeah. We have Jive, Apps to You, First Rain. These are all different software companies that we own in our portfolio. And we are a private equity group that will buy your software. And we would love to talk to you to help solve your unique situation and problem. Again, my name is Charles Legacy with ESW Capital. Thanks again for watching.